Hello students, today I will explain question number 5 of exercise 13.2. Okay, now we have only 3 sums, but this 3 sums is very important. Okay, so let's see. Now you see 2 to the power 2 again to the power 2 into 7 cube, that is 7 to the power 3 upon 8 to the power 3 into 7. Now what we'll do with this, yes, we know that we have to multiply the powers, so we'll do this. Nothing to do with this because we cannot expand this anymore. Now 8 could be written as, you have to do the prime factorization for this. 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. So how many 2s are there? 3. So in place of 8 you will write 2 cube, but 8 was already carrying 3, so what you have to do, you have to write this. So this is 8. Okay, so in place of 8 you have written 2 to the power 3, as because 8 was already carrying 3 as a power, so I have written this 3. Okay, 7. Now 2 2s are 4, 7 cube. What to do with this? 3 3s are, we have to multiply. Yes, 7. So 2 to the power 4 into 7 to the power 3. 2 to the power 3 3s are 9 into 7. Now these two terms are carrying the same base, but they're in the division form. What we have to do with the powers? Absolutely right, but always write the top power, that is what the upper power at first. That is whatever the whichever power is written on the numerator, you have to write it first. It's not that 9 is greater, so you have to write 9 minus 4. Always write this first and then the lower part. Same thing we'll do with this. These two are having the same base, but they're in the division form, so we have to subtract the powers. This 7 is not carrying any power, but it is carrying, that is 1. So 3 minus 1. Okay, so the answer of this will be plus minus minus. 9 minus 4 is 5, but this time 9 is greater, so that is carrying what sign? Minus sign into 7 square. Now you see, as I said in the laws of exponents, if any base is carrying minus power, so suppose a, what is the meaning of a? A upon 1 to the power minus n. So how to make this power a positive one? To make this power a positive one, we have to reciprocal the base. Okay, that is a by 1 is there. If I do 1 by a, then what will happen? This power will become positive. Okay, the same application will do it here. That is 2 to the power minus 5. 2 means what? 2 upon 1 to the power minus 5 into 7 square. Okay, so if I do the reciprocal of this one, that is 1 by 2 to the power 5, then this will become positive. Okay, 7 square. Now what to do with this? 1 by 2, 5 times you have to write. 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 and into 7 into 7. So what will be the answer? 1 into 1 into 1, it will be all 1. 7 7s are what? 49. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. So this is your required answer. Okay. So this part was very important. Okay, remember this. Now let's go to sum number 2 of question number 5. This is sum number 2. So first of all, we'll break this 25. 25 means what? We can write 5 square. Another 5 square is already there, t to the power 8. Now 10 could be written as 2 into 5, isn't it? To the power 3 into t to the power 4. Now let's simplify this. Now these two are carrying the same base. They have a multiplication sign in between, so we have to add the powers. So 2 plus 2 into t to the power 8, let it be like this. Now 2 into 5 cube. Now this 2 and this 5 are carrying the same power, so we'll expand it and write it down. That is 2 to the power 3 and 5 to the power 3 into t to the power 4. Okay, now what to write? 5 to the power 4 into t to the power 8, 2, 3, 5, 3 and t4. Now these two are carrying the same base, these two carrying the same base. This is quite uh, base 2 we don't have in this particular sum. So let's solve this 2 and this 2 also, and we'll keep this as intact. Now these two are carrying the same base, they are in the division form. So what to write? 4 minus 3. They are also in the division form. So what to do with the powers? We have to subtract it, and we'll write this in the place of denominator. So it will be 5, it will be t to the power 4, and it will be t cube. So finally we can write 5t to the power 4, 8. So this is your answer. This is sum number 2. Okay. Let's move on to sum number 3. This is sum number 3. So what to do? First we'll write 2 to the power 5. How to write 10? Yes, 2 into 5 to the power 5. How to write 25? 5 square. Now nothing could be done in the denominator. 5 to the power 7. 6 could be written as 2 into 3 to the power 5. I hope you have understood, all of you. Now we'll just separate it now. So 2 to the power 5 into 5 to the power 5 into 5 square, 5 to the power 7 into 2 to the power 5 into 3 to the power 5. Okay, now see if there's any similar term is there. Yes, 3 to the power 5, 3 to the power 5, cancel it. 2 to the power 5, 2 to the power 5, cancel it. Okay, so what is remaining? Remaining is this, that is 5 to the power 5 into 5 square upon 5 to the power 7. So first of all we'll solve this one, as because they are carrying the same base, they have multiplication sign in between, so we have to add the powers. So it will be 5 to the power 7 upon 5 to the power 7. So we'll cancel it. So answer is 1. So this is a solution of sum number 3 of question number 5 of exercise 13.2. So these are the only 3 sums that you all have to do it today as an assignment. Okay, so tomorrow we'll start 13.3. Okay, thank you and take care, all of you.